Hi there everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you. Again, I try to make the unboxing videos super clear so that if you don't like unboxing videos, you don't have to watch them. But if you want to watch, please continue. And it's a sneak peek of what you're going to see on this channel in the future. Now, this is an ukulele that was sent to me for review by a company whose products I do like, Aklot. And they have a brand new ukulele that is out and I want to show it to you. So here's the box. It comes from Amazon. Going to open it up and then let you see what we're looking at. Now on the good side, Amazon has been doing a better job of sending smaller boxes, which is kind of nice. All right. So inside there's lots of Amazon paper, but I'm just trying to get the ukulele box out. And there it is. This is Aklot's sort of newer rocking logo. And here we go. There is some stuff on the inside. I'll show you that in a moment. So here it is. It's a concert ukulele in Aklot's really decent bag. They have the newer bumper on the bottom. They have a hook with which to hang things. It's that sort of gray pattern, a decently padded handle, lightly padded straps, and yeah, it's a really one of the nicer cases that are out there, especially at this price point. And actually though, before we open it up, let's take a look at the things that you get with it. And this also will probably give away what we're looking at, maybe. So, you get a tuner, Aklot branded tuner, and there's a battery in there. You get the Aklot checker flag strap, and they include an Aklot humidifier, which tells you that you're dealing with a solid wood instrument rather than a laminate. They may include those in their other ukuleles right now, but I'm not sure if they do. All right, so just opening up the pocket, making sure there's nothing in there. I'm pretty sure there's not. Nope, that's all good to go. So let's see what they got. Again, padded nicely, has the special pieces in there to keep the headstock from ripping up the bag. That's all nicely thought out. All right, together with a rubber band on the top. Get that out of the way. And here it comes. Inlay logo, a little different shape than other Aklots that are out there. Then Aklot's little card that tells you what you're looking at there. Let's see if I can get that far enough away that you can get a clear picture. All right, and the continued reveal. And there it is. Oh, and there is a packet of silica gel in here. All right, got the packet of silica gel out. And here's what you're looking at. It is a solid Acacia high gloss concert ukulele. Looks like it has fluorocarbon or D'Addario titanium strings on it. But yeah, it's really a pretty wood. And this is a step up from Aklot's other offerings. It has had the mahogany AKC series for quite a while. Last year they brought out, or maybe even the year before, they brought out the bamboo series, and they've expanded those. And now they're moving up one more level. For the price point, I think this one is currently around $125 or so, into a solid Acacia instrument. Taking, I think, what they learn at each level. And again, Aklot is connected with Camise and Horse. That's doing a really good job of tuning up right away. That's just pretty indicative of better strings, I think, than anything else. Just taking a look at it, you have a non-compensated saddle. Action looks to be okay. We'll get a chance to measure that when we actually test it out. Headstock is kind of different with that inlay up there. And there's closed-geared black tuners, black strap buttons on it that come with it, and a slotted bridge with sort of a nondescript saddle there. Very different saddle, very minimal. Let's see what it sounds like a little bit. Strings were just tuned for the first time. Okay, just a real quick summary of what I'm hearing and feeling so far. First of all, really pretty ukulele. I've liked what Aklot did with the bamboo. There were a few cues on the Acacia. I didn't really like the dove bridge. This is really outstanding. Perhaps the bridge could be darker, but that's just really splitting hairs at this point. The sound is very bright, which is not common. The sustain is really decent. However, I've got a buzz on the C string. And I'll have to figure out where that's at. Now, I'm not worried about that at this point, because if you bought this, I know Aklot would stand behind the product and make it right with you. So I'm not worried about that. But I do want to see if I can figure out where that vibration is coming from. And if I can, I want to solve it myself. And every instrument could potentially have that. But as you have instruments where the action is set really low, buzzes are not uncommon. And that's one of the big challenges, for example, with the really good ukulele vendors, is that they will get instruments, even from the biggest names, that will have a buzz, and they'll try to sort it out and figure out what's going on. So it could be potentially anything, by the way. A buzz could be a little bit of loose hardware up here. Could be a string vibrating in a nut slot. It happens. It could be a string vibrating on a fret, just by the vibrations hitting a fret. It could be a number of things. Could be even a loose brace on the inside. I don't think that's going to be the case here. The top is not super thin, but still very bright with, yeah, sustain still going. Decent sustain. If anything, it's missing some of the low end, which is kind of interesting. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes as time goes on. So that is the first look at the Aklot with that sort of more rocking logo inlaid on it, their Acacia concert ukulele. So watch for the full review of this one, and hopefully by then I will have figured out exactly where that buzz is coming from. Okay, some bonus footage for the unboxing. First thing I tried to do is to loosen the string and reseat it in the bridge, because that's where it seemed to be coming from. All the hardware was fine, and I loosened the string, basically kind of turned it around, pulled it back, and was still getting the buzzing. So before giving up on the string, or before giving up on the instrument, I looked at the knot. There you can see it. Let's see if I don't know if I can get that close enough. Kind of a large knot. And so what I did is I cut that knot out, as you can see. So I loosened the string, tied a new knot, and put it in there. So I think this worked. No more buzz. And if you know me, I really like bright sounding ukuleles. And as Acacia goes, this is the brightest sounding Acacia that I have played at this point. So that's kind of fun. So just so you know, the buzz isn't terminal by any means. That could happen with anything. And the challenge with the buzz, sometimes you can't find it. And sometimes you do need to send it back or contact the company. Sometimes you can troubleshoot and try to listen to see where it's at. I've got an Enyo right now that has a one of these is loosened. I need to tighten that. It's not a big fix, but it's a little washer underneath that's vibrating. Things happen. You know, wood warps over time and everything else, which is why also Aklot included a humidifier on this one with the idea that it's solid wood. If you live in an area where the humidity drops below 40% relative humidity, you want to make sure that you humidify your ukulele. If you're above 40 to 60, maybe even 40, 65, you're probably fine. And if you live in an area where the humidity is above 65%, you likely want to dehumidify where you're at, where that instrument is being stored. So that's a real quick look at the Aklot. Buzz solved, ready to go. All right. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with more Uke stuff for you.